Hello from Bali! So right now I just arrived in my hotel room and damn, this is like the nicest hotel I've ever been to in my entire life. It's in Nusa Dua and it's kind of far away from Seminyak and Canggu, like the place where it's kind of hip. Is that a lizard? No, that's a leaf. And I have the entire place to myself, so let's just start with the room tour. So welcome to the entrance. On the right, there is the wardrobe, and the girl actually told me that these hats are free, so I can bring back to Malaysia if I want. Of course I want, I'm Malaysian. And these are my bags. I packed just like a carry-on. The umbrella and the basket, she told me, unfortunately, they're not free. And then there's a safe. Into the bedroom we go. Here we have a king-size bed, and then there is a desk where I can order 24 hours room service. There's a nice lounge area. So nice of them to even give us kueh. And fruits. A big TV. Oh my gosh, I have a freaking private pool. I can lounge here. I can take a dip here, and it's not too deep. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And it overlooks the ocean. I really like this pool area because it's shaded, as you can see, so I won't get burned. So let's go back inside. And one fun fact that Zaneta, the girl who checked me in, she told me is that when you open the sliding door to go out to the pool, the air conditioner in the room actually turns off. So it is power saving like that. Once I close the door, I just heard the air conditioner being turned on. Okay, now that I'm in, guess what's behind the door? The bathroom! They have a double vanity. I think that's what they call it. I guess I will just be using this side or that side, depending on which side has better lightings for my makeup. Lo and behold, a freaking bathtub! This is like my dream! It also overlooks that really beautiful ocean. And then here they separated the shower and the toilet. So here you have the toilet bowl. I notice my vlogs always have a review on toilet bowls. So this is very Japanesey because you have this, oh hello there. And then you have the buttons to wash wherever you want to wash, and then you can dry it so you don't have to use toilet paper. How smart! I love. I really appreciate a good toilet bowl. And bidet, which actually I feel like I've been pronouncing the word wrong. So it's spelled B-I-D-E-T. A bidet? English is difficult. Moving on. This is the shower, a nice rain shower. And that is all for the room tour. I'm so excited to be here. I couldn't wrap my head around this trip initially because there's just so much going on at work. So I've been really stressed out, and this trip was very spontaneous. I booked my tickets 3 days ago, but I am here. I am here and I am so ready to relax. I am now just gonna go get some food because I'm really hungry. So I discovered that that is a Samsung Smart TV, and if I'm able to mirror my phone screen to that, I can watch Netflix. Oh my god, I did it! So this YouTube video helped me out.
On the table, yeah?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Good, yeah? So this is Naomi, yeah?
Thank you.
Miss. Oh, Miss. Oh, yeah. I call her Miss Naomi, yeah? Not Mrs.
People here are calling me Mr. Naomi for some reason. I'm not married, guys. So here is my late lunch. I ordered nasi goreng kampung. It's their signature, and it comes with some sides, and this is keropok. The nasi goreng kampung is actually pretty good. Usually nasi goreng kampung is really spicy, so I asked for less spicy. But for some reason, if I eat it without the sambal, it's not spicy at all. But okay, at least it's quite flavorful. I am now in bed and I'm ready for my sleep. I am technically surviving on 1.5 hours of sleep in the last 48 hours. I don't know how am I even still awake. So I have a list of pillows here. but I don't know which one to get. I got my pillows. So soft. Good morning! I am ready to head out for breakfast. I woke up at 8 AM today. I was supposed to wake up at 6 AM, but then I decided to go back to sleep because I'm on vacation and I don't have to wake up so early. Let's go for breakfast and decide how we're gonna start the day. I'm now on my way to breakfast, but yesterday when Zaneta was telling me where the lounge is, I actually forgot because I was too tired and there was like information overload. I don't even know which floor I'm on. But first, let me show you the view of this entire compound. Look at that. Oh my gosh, those are camels. Oh hey, one of those is my room. So this is the breakfast menu and I get to order everything that's inside here. Oh my gosh, everything is so tempting. So this is what I got for my breakfast. Nasi goreng. I don't know why they take nasi goreng, but I guess because I saw the sambal. Chicken sausage, semi-dried tomatoes, beef bacon, 1 piece of sushi, salami, and smoked tuna. This is bubur hitam. I just had to get this when I saw it. It's one of my favorites. It is made up of black rice. Oh my god, I love the sambal. Yes, here comes my omelette and my American pancakes. Oh man, look at the dark clouds there. I think it's gonna rain. So in case you're wondering how I utilize this big space, let me show you the vanity. So since it comes with a double vanity, on this right hand side, I use it for wet stuff. So I brush my teeth here, I wash my face and put in my contact lens. And then on the left hand side, this is the drier part where I have my skincare and also my makeup. Perfect utilization. Man, I just realized they actually put this cloth for me and rearranged my skincare. That is so nice of them. I'm now finally venturing out of the hotel at 1:20 PM, but I seem to have trouble getting a Grab ride. Oh my gosh, I have one! Yes! But it's gonna be like 30 minutes on the bike ride, so hopefully I don't get burned. I'm taking a Grab bike because taking a Grab car would cost me 200 rupiah, which is about 60 ringgit, and that's kind of crazy. I'm thinking of doing that if the sun is really hot, but today is still bearable, so I'll just go with the bike. This is bomb. I'm back from Seminyak and it is still raining. I think it's been raining for like 2 hours and it has not stopped. So now I think I'm gonna take a shower and then nap for a bit because I am kind of sleepy. So anyway, I went to Seminyak just now because I wanted to do some shopping and I saw a couple of boutiques that sold really nice clothes, but I went into like 1 or 2 swimwear shops and even their bikini was so expensive that I didn't even want to try to go into a shop that sold clothes. But I did get a muscle tee from the cafe place because it's actually very nice. It looks very like grungy-ish and I quite like styles like that. Anyway, let me show it to you. So this is what it looks like. It's actually too big for me. They ran out of my size. This is in a size L. I'm actually an XS according to the t-shirt size. At least this one I can wear a bikini inside and it's just my cover up. Huge ass armpit hole. So I wasn't planning on having dinner because I've spent quite some money on food especially, and also to travel to Seminyak earlier. So I ate a pretty heavy lunch and I thought it can last me the entire night, but nope, I'm hungry again. So I went on the Gojek app. It's like Grab, but the Indonesian version. And I ordered myself pizza! Yum, this is Nusa Dua pizza. It has really good reviews, so I'm really excited to try it. Ooh, it's huge! So the reviews say that they love it because it's very like New York style, the thin crust and all. Excited! There's not a lot of pepperoni on the pizza, but it's good. Good morning! It's my birthday today and I am going to start off the day, other than getting ready for my day, is to go for a spa. I'm actually going for a massage, so I'm really excited for it. So my Grab car driver asked me to cancel on him because the journey takes an hour and he has another appointment. It is scorching hot today, but I slathered myself with sunscreen. Hopefully that helps a little. Oh my god, I fell asleep. So good. So right now I am at the beach at 6 p.m. I am waiting for the sun to set at around 6:40. I finally came to the beach and it's so beautiful. Look at the hotel at the back. The good thing about the beach in Nusa Dua, this one is right outside my hotel, is that it's really quiet. Like even in the mornings or in the afternoon, I don't really see people around. I guess there are people here, but it's relatively much lesser than other beaches. So that's really nice if you want a non-crowded area to just chill and relax and read your stuff. But this is pretty much just like your basic beach, but it's really clean. There's no frills, no like bean bags or colorful decorations. It's just benches like these and a view like this. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this, but I literally just walked back from the beach. I walked through the door. I know I had my TV on, so it was on, so all was well. But then I put my beach bag on the couch, and then at the side of my eye, I saw something that's out of place on the desk, and when I looked over, it's a freaking cake! Guess who it's from? My sisters! There's even a card. Aww, they're the best. Thanks! Oh my gosh, what are the odds? The TV in the room plays The Walking Dead! Oh my gosh! My dinner is here. So I got myself Cheese Factory. It's a famous fast food in Indonesia. Here I have the regular chicken. I think that's what they call it. So it's not spicy, it's original. Cheese sauce, which they're famous for, and rice, and I have a side of spicy chicken. I think it's called the fire chicken, just one piece because I don't eat much. And this is pink lava. I don't really take dairy these days, but it sounds good. So it's milk and strawberry milk. I don't really like it. It's kind of sweet. They have to shoot him again. This is good. And by the way, the fire chicken, I took level 2 spicy. I think they have until level 6. Come on, Rosita. Just kill him, kill him! Let me try the spicy. It's good. But I feel the burn coming. How is this level 2? Good morning. Right now it is 7:10 a.m. It's kind of sad because I'm leaving so soon. This is my last breakfast, so here I got the soto ayam and some random food. This is honeydew juice and coffee. So today is the last day and I found a shortcut to the Cliff Lounge, which is where I have my breakfast. I feel so stupid right now because you see my room is right at the end and I will walk all the way there, turn left, take the lift down 1 floor, and then walk all the way here because the Cliff Lounge is literally downstairs. And then today I saw these freaking stairs, so I just had to literally walk to the left and go down, and I've reached the breakfast place. Wow, Naomi, you smart. So sad to have to say goodbye to this hotel room. I love it so much. Goodbye view and swimming pool. Goodbye big bathroom and vanity and bathtub and bathrobes. My beloved shower and bidet. I love you. Well, goodbye to you too. Goodbye couch and super delicious birthday cake, but I just can't finish it. This is so good because it's like moussey and rich chocolate-ish, but it's not too sweet. In the middle, it's like some kind of fruit puree. I think it's like passion fruit. It's very familiar, but I just couldn't think of it right now. Goodbye, my lovely bed. This bed has been so awesome. The bed is so huge. And oh my gosh, the pillow. Ooh, the best. I'm gonna miss being surrounded by all these pillows. Goodbye, TV. I'm gonna turn you off. Goodbye, nice smelling room fragrance. Okay, I gotta get myself checked out and then head to the airport.